The market chops higher on Fed Day. Can the bulls be stopped? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so in yesterday's video, we talked about the fact that as long as the market held support, they could push higher towards the 4,400 to 4,420 area, and that's exactly what we saw. The market pushed higher up towards 4,400 before pulling back before the Fed, holding support and trying to push again. Now the question is, can the bulls be stopped? I'll get into that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, so we continue to scalp longs and do very well in this market. We're still waiting for the turn. Let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute SPX chart, and I am drilled in here. Again, I did a big picture on Monday. I'm going to stay pretty zoomed in on the top here because it's kind of what's important to where we're at in the market and what can happen. So we were looking for them to hold support, which they did. They pushed up almost to 43.90. Then they came back and they held support exactly on the Fed pullback. So the Fed started their little announcement. Market pulled back. It poked through the 43.43 level. You can see it poke. It got down to 43.36, I think. But so about 6-7 points below, and then rocketed back up out of there. And it does look a little bit impulsive here. Well, there's no a little bit. It looks impulsive here on the way up. So it does look like we have a potential for a 1-2 setup, and then we look for a move up, move down, and a breakout in wave 5. I told you yesterday we could still be finishing 3 at a higher level, and that's what it looks like. And this 4 pullback is 50% of the retrace of wave 3, so it's the max that it could be. So this low now becomes really important for the bulls to hold. The overall move up does target 44.20 to 44.40. Okay, so that's the range we'd be looking for. Still looking to complete this move up. As I said, they can stretch this higher in the micro count. However, in the big picture, in the macro count, there are enough waves in place. So we are cautious up here for any turn event where they do break support. But until the bears break support, pressure is up. So the big support right now for the bears to break is that 43.36 level right here. So if they come down and break this, that is a strong warning to the bulls. We would look for follow through at that point down to break this wave 4 at the 42.62 level. And should we break through there, that would be a very strong indication that the move up is over and we have a local top in place and we're starting to move down in the wave C or a wave 2, just depending on what structure we get and how it looks. So the big key level to watch, 43.36, this low right here that they made yesterday. As long as they're above that, they can push it to 42.20 to 42.40. But if that breaks, we should start looking to the downside and look for this 42.61 area to break next. Over on the NASDAQ is a little bit sloppier up here. This is starting to get a little bit sloppy in this overall count. It does look like we've completed wave 3. We got the wave 4 pullback, and we've got a 1-2 setup. And then we'd be looking for 3, 4, and 5 up to about the 15,400 level would be the target for this. 15,291 to 15,400, anywhere in that range would be where we'd be looking for this to top out and then possibly turn from there. And then again, this level on the NASDAQ, another big key level, both wave 4s right here, exactly how you'd expect to see them. The first wave 4 of 3. And then wave 4 overall, corrective depth tells us they should be about the same, or this one should be less than this one, and we see they're about the same. So they did hold support, came back up, are looking higher towards that 14,291 to 14.5 area we've been talking about. However, if the bears can come down and break through these lows here at that 14,995 level, that's a very strong warning to the bulls. And then we would look for them to follow through down below this wave 2 here at 14,763, and that would be a very strong indication that a local top is in place, and we would look for a bigger pullback after that. Guys, if you love the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link. It will take you right over to the website. Once you're there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 incredible monthly plans, but we also have our Elliott Wave for Beginners course. So if you don't want to become a monthly member, you can buy the course a la carte. It is 25 videos covering my Elliott Wave for Beginners course. I go over my chart setup. I show you exactly how to set up your chart and how to use the tools with Elliott Wave Theory to confirm wave counts and understand where waves end, all that types of stuff to help you find tops, bottoms, and targets. It's 25 videos, excellent course. People are loving it. So if you don't want to become a monthly member, you can buy that a la carte. However, if you do want to become a member of an awesome trading team, we have 2 awesome rooms. In our first room, the Invest with Jacob room, you get all of my real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, all of your Elliott Wave questions answered, a midday video where I go over exactly where we are in the counts and what to expect, as well as the training material you just saw. We trade the SPY and the QQQ, and we swing trade, which means our trades can last anywhere from a few days to a few months, so we don't trade quite as often as a day trading room does. However, if you are interested in day trading as well as individual stocks, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. In there, you get everything you get in the Invest with Jacob room, as well as individual stocks, day trading, and PT's reduced risk binary method that absolutely crushes the market. He gets you in at a cheap price and gets you big multiples on your money, and it's how he structures the trade that's so unique. Something you kind of have to see to understand, and that's another reason we give you that 7-day free trial. He also started a challenge account where he put $4,000 into an account, trading mini ES futures, averaging 3 to 4% gains per week, showing you how to build a small account into a large retirement or savings account. Guys, I would love to have you in these rooms so we can all make money together. Okay, key takeaways for today. It's pretty simple. As long as we're above this 43.36 level, the market points to 44.20 to 44.40 on the ES, or on the SPX. Sorry, the SPX. If they break this level, okay, then we're looking to break this wave 2 level down here at around 42.97, 42.300, and then this wave 4 down here next at 42.62. That would be a very strong indication that the top is in and we're moving down. Over on the NASDAQ, very easy. You got 2 wave 4s here. Things are looking how they should. At that 14,995 level, break these 2 lows right here. It's a very strong signal that the top is in and we should be moving down further. However, as long as we're above this level, we do point toward the 15,291 to 15,500 range. Guys, that is the market update for today. I'll talk to you tomorrow.